Hi guys. Well, these two people are scolding Max and Megan. They're perfect for each other, but Megan's like,
Max.
oh. What? What? Ugh. Okay. Well, Megan needs to like Max because Max is perfect for Megan, but Max likes Megan. Like she hearts her, and now he's like, oh well yeah, and Megan's like, he's not my type. I'm like, he's your type. Don't worry.
He is her type.
Don't worry about it. So
they're perfect for each other.
Okay, well, Megan, go out with Max because Max loves you.
Oh shit, dude. Go for it.
Hello. Hi, Dee Dee.
We're making a video about how perfect
a YouTube video.
Max and Megan are for each other.
Yeah.
We're making a YouTube video about how perfect Max and Megan are for each other.
Oh, and go online and look up our trip to CVS.
And look up
fourth graders are cool.
No, and the other one.
Which one was it?
What's the other one about?
Oh, we didn't do that one. Remember?
Gatorade and and sugar.
Okay, just type in Gatorade and sugar. Wait. Type in Cookie Monster 2313.
Why?
Because just do it.
On what website?
YouTube. Oh, okay.
Guys, you know, kind of dumb.
Donatella, come on.
Bye, Deandra.
No, she's staying on the phone.
Tell her that you like Shaq.
Oh yeah, Shaq's not that mean. He bit my leg though.
I hate Shaq so much.
I know you do. No, don't hang up.
Bye, Deandra.
Bye.
Bye, I love you. Look it up. Cool. Okay, so Max, you need to either ask Megan out and Megan say yes, or Megan need to ask Max out and Max will definitely say yes. So you two have fun. I love birds.
Max, talk to Megan.
Yeah, totally. You should just do that right now. You just gotta go do that right now, okay? What you're watching this video, just go do that. Call Megan up right now and just do it, okay? Okay?